Good morning, mga kasilsilyo. Here are my coin collections, old coin collections from 1 peso Jose Rizal 1972. Then here 5 peso Bagong Lipunan Ferdinand Marcos. Then we have here 1 peso also, but the year is 1972 or 74, sorry, 74, 1974. 1 peso there, 1974. Then we have here 2 peso coconut, big and small 2 peso coconut. Then we have here 1 peso Carabao, big and small 1 peso Carabao. Then we have here 50 centavo Liberty with different years, 50 centavos. This one, this one, 1958, I think, 1960. Then we have 25 centavo Liberty, 25 centavo Liberty. Then we have here 10 centavo Liberty. Then I have here also 50 centavo Marcelo del Pilar, may with eagle, may agila. Then small also 50 centavo eagle, Siban. Then I have here also 25 centavo. What is this? Juan Luna with also butterfly. $95 centavo Juan Luna. Then I have here 10 centavo Francisco Balagtas with different years, different style. Then 10 centavo. Then we have 10 centavo 2006 with aluminum, 1992. here. Then we have here 25 centavos of different years, various years. Marami nito, 2014, 2000, 1992, 2004, 2006, I think, maybe plenty. I don't know. Then we have 10 centavo bronze, again different years. Then we have 5 centavo na may butas, 5 centavo na may butas. Then NGC 5 centavo, may 2017 NGC. Then we have here 5 centavo Melchor Aquino with nonagonal, then round, then may lapu-lapu, 1 centavo, 5 centavo Melchor Aquino. So these are all my collections for old coins. So if you are interested, if you want something to collect, what here, then just post me. If I have here some, then we can have a deal. Okay, for 1 peso I have plenty of 1 peso, 1972 and 1974. Then I have 2 pieces of Bagong Lipunan 5 peso bill, 5 peso coins, Marcos. I don't know if this is a prop coin. Okay, thank you. That's all. And good day.